Have you ever asked, "Do you can help me?" and gotten a weird look? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the secrets of yes/no questions. And by the end of this video, you'll ask them like a pro. Let's get started with the 4 secrets they don't tell you. Secret 1. The magic formula. First secret, there's a simple formula for you to ask yes/no questions in English. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus anything. Let's break that down. The auxiliary verb is your helper. It could be do, did, have, or will. The subject is the person or thing you're asking about. And the main verb is what the question is really about. Here's an example. Do you like pizza?
You like pizza?
Did she finish her homework?
Did she finish her homework?
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Would you open the door for me?
Would you open the door for me?
Notice how smooth it sounds. That's the formula at work. Secret 2. Choosing the right helper. Not all auxiliaries work everywhere. Picking the right one depends on the tense and the question. For present tense use, do or does. For past tense, use did. Example, did they call you yesterday? For future questions, use will. Example, will we win the game? Here's a trick. If you understand the tense of the sentence, you'll know which helper to grab. Secret number 3, common mistakes to avoid. Here's where people often go wrong. Double helpers. Never say, do you can? Just pick one. Correct version. Can you? Have you been studied English? Have you studied English? Is she does her homework? Does she do her homework? Will you do can help me? Can you help me? Or will you help me? Skipping the helper. Only say you like pizza when you want to chat or talk with your friends. That sounds incomplete. Always add a helper in formal situations. Do you like pizza?
You like pizza?
Is she working today?
She working today?
Have you seen that movie?
You seen that movie?
Will they arrive tomorrow?
They arrive tomorrow?
In standard English, auxiliaries are needed in questions. Learners often skip auxiliaries out of familiarity with other languages or informal speech. Word order confusion. Remember, the subject always comes after the helper. Does she play? Is correct. Not does play she. Fix these mistakes and you'll sound much more natural and fluent. Secret 4. Make it natural. Want to make your yes/no questions flow naturally? Practice with common topics. Asking for confirmation. You like pizza, right?
You like pizza, right?
Is this your bag?
Is this your bag?
It's gonna rain today, isn't it?
It's going to rain today, isn't it?
You've been to Paris before, haven't you?
You've been to Paris before, haven't you?
Will you help me with the project?
Will you help me with the project?
Checking plans. Are we meeting at 5?
Are we meeting at 5?
Are you going to the party tonight?
Are you going to the party tonight?
Is she coming with us?
Is she coming with us?
Are we meeting at 5 p.m.?
Are we meeting at 5 p.m.?
Do you plan to go on vacation next month?
Do you plan to go on vacation next month?
Have you already booked the tickets for the concert?
Have you already booked the tickets for the concert?
Will they join us for dinner after the meeting?
Will they join us for dinner after the meeting?
Simple chats, asking about plans. Are you going to the concert tonight?
Yes, I am. Are you coming with us?
Do you think it'll be fun?
Think so. The band is great.
Checking preferences. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. How about you?
I prefer tea. Do you drink tea sometimes?
Yes, I do, but only in the morning.
Yes, I do, but only in the morning. Confirming details. Is this the right way to the park?
Yes, it is. Are you going to run in the park?
I plan to. Is the weather good for running?
It's perfect today.
Pro tip: practice out loud or with a friend or along with this video. The more you say these, the faster they'll become second nature. And that's it. Remember, 1. Auxiliary plus subject plus main verb is your golden formula. 2. With the right helper, no double verbs. And a little practice, you'll master yes/no questions in no time. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more grammar tips, and let me know in the comments, what's a yes/no question you use every day? Well done. You've mastered the secrets of yes, no questions. Don't tell your friends about them.